Hey y'all, it's Kitty. So today I'm going to be updating you on my Disney animated film project Pan. This is a collab with the Pantastic Ladies on Facebook. I will have their Facebook group linked down below. Yes, I only have nail polish on one hand. I'm not sorry about it. I'm not sorry. I'm just gonna quickly go over what's on my face. I'm wearing the Violet Voss Flamingo palette on my eyes, and I love it. I'm wearing the Tarte blush in Quirky. I just have a mini size of this on my cheeks. I'm wearing the Becca Long-Lasting. I'm wearing the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector highlighter in Opal, and I am wearing my Rimmel London Lasting Finish lip liner in 1,000 Kisses on my lips on top of a lip balm, which is why it looks glossy. This is once again my first update for my Disney animated film project Pan. Why don't I just get started on telling you about the items? We're going to start with things that I don't have progress on because I'm just using this project as a way to get me to use them more. And those are my two highlighters. This is the NYX Duochromatic Illuminating Powder in Twilight Tint, and this is the AOA Studios Wonder Baked Highlighter in Fresa. Still don't know how to pronounce that. If you know how to pronounce that properly, let me know down below, because I feel like I'm pronouncing it wrong. These are two highlighters that I picked for Sleeping Beauty, the scene in Sleeping Beauty where the fairies are deciding what color her dress is going to be, and so they go, make it pink, make it blue, make it pink, make it blue. I'm really not doing the scene any justice. But I really don't expect to hit pan on either of these, not even close. I just want to get more use out of them, and I've used them both a handful of times in the past month, but I think it's a handful of times more than I would have used them otherwise. So I consider that good progress. I also have the Revlon Colorburst Matte Balm in 250 Standout. I have not made any progress on this because I have two red lipsticks in Project Pans right now because I'm brilliant, and this is also in my Cruelty Free by Christmas project pan. I have no progress on it, so we're just gonna move on. Oh, and the Revlon lipstick is for Incredibles 2, which I still haven't seen. Oh my god. I really need to get to the movies. I'm not a moviegoer generally. I really need to see that before it leaves theaters because I am missing out. Now onto something that I do have progress on. This is the Diamond Shimmer Mist in Vanilla Wish and Apple Fizz. I started up here and now I'm here. If I just don't tilt it, you can see that that's where I am. I spray this on the floor around my desk when I'm working because the shimmer is splotchy and I don't like it, but I like how it smells. So I spray it on the floor and then it smells up the room. I think I can get this done for November 15th, which is when the project ends. Yeah, I like it, but I don't like that it's shimmery. So, and this is for The Princess and the Frog because it's green. I actually saw the ending of that movie recently. It was on TV when I was at my grandparents' house. It freaked me out the first time I saw it, but not scared anymore. The next product I have, if you've been noticing this over here, is for the movie Tangled, which is my favorite Disney movie, and this is the Royal Honey and Kalahari Desert Melon Repair and Protect Leave-In Conditioner. I started at this line up here, and now I'm at this line down here. I have 3 different hair products that I'm working on right now that are all leave-in conditioner style products. So I easily could have finished this, but I'm also trying to work through some of those. This one will definitely be finished by the end of the project. I may actually buy another one, or I may put some of the other products that I'm working on in lieu of this when I finish this. Actually, that's a good idea. I should try and finish this and then put those in there for Tangled. So that's how much I have. Now I'm going to add two products. Two products. The first product I am adding is this Hard Candy Sheer Envy Primer Shine Free. This is just the primer that I use. I was unofficially panning it for a while, so I just put a little S that looks kind of like a Z at this line because that's where I'm starting. I think I can get this done by November 15th. It's getting old and I want to get it out of my collection. I have actually just one other primer I think that I have. But there are some primers that I want to pick up. But I don't feel like I need more than one primer, so I'm just going to try and use this up. And I'm putting this in for Cinderella because it is a pale blue color. The final product that I am adding, final product makes it sound like there were more than just two. This is going to be sort of a gimme product because it is almost empty. Not that this one isn't almost empty, but it's still got product in it. This one is truly almost empty. This is my Urban Decay Primer Potion. I am putting this in for Snow White, for the evil queen who makes potions. If you have a better idea on how I could put this in, I just really want to have stuff that I'm using up, and I don't have a lot of things that I'm using up. I sound really stupid right now. But so, potions. But that is everything in my Disney animated film Project Pan video. Once again, I will have the Pantastic Ladies linked down below. I believe there's also a master list of everyone in this Project Pan, and I'll see if I can have that linked down below as well. So that is everything for me today. If you liked this video, I would love it if you could hit the like button down below, as well as comment and subscribe. All of those things would tell the YouTube algorithms that maybe I'm someone that they could share with others, and it would really help me out. And I don't have a witty sign off, but I will see you guys later. Bye!